Y'all,
Don't even
I was just trying to make a video, and
oh, you got a new handle.
this happened.
I mean, Chili looks beaten up, man. I don't know. Maybe do get a new one.
That's why you can't trust slime. It gets stuck in your hair.
Well, that was cute. Oh, Chili the Fred.
Why
See,
my
that's
hair?
why you shouldn't
Why does it have to be my hair?
Freaking Fred. Who's just buying you a brand new part?
My hair ain't doing nothing to your hair.
That one wasn't
hair
like
ain't
crazy
doing
sad or anything. It was just kind of like, oh, Chili the Fred. It's not gonna make me cry. So let's continue. I heart.
Okay, I
Alright, we got two sisters.
I just got a big
Sunny,
chunk off of it.
number 1.
So,
Well, looks like that's one of the sisters' names. So this girl, it's her sister. So this
yeah.
girl is Renee, I think.
Come with me. I'm gonna go wash my hair. Cause it's like bad slime. Messed it up. And then I just got my headache. Check it out.
Whoa, what? Is this a
I just got my headache. And I'm sorry I messed up. Just look. Covered in slime. What you do? Tell me what you do. What do you mean put my hair on this one? I know that kind of sounding kind of dumbish, but at least it comes out. And I was gonna get in trouble. I was gonna get in trouble. I was gonna get in trouble. So I just went on here and made it look like I just wet my whole hair on the tips. And as you can see, the slime did come off. It's not on nothing, no braid. It's no braid. It did come off. And I'm just happy about that because if it wouldn't have came off, I was gonna get in trouble. Okay.
Before Sunny gets in here, just a big blob and she opens the door. Perfect.
Don't tell what.
Hey sister, sorry, I was just
Don't tell what,
my
Raymond.
whole diary apart. Whoops.
Tell me before you get in trouble.
He touched.
Aww.
Yes, ma'am.
She's jealous of the sister, but you know, it's okay. Learn her lesson.
Okay, now.
I love you. Oh,
Okay, let me just see.
you. Sister's probably very confused.
Yeah, but
Just a bunch of pages everywhere. My
I'm
sister's
finna go watch this person on
That was
YouTube.
pretty cute though, guys. Lesson of
Cool.
the day. Don't hate your sister.
I'm getting bored. I'm tired of making videos. And I don't have
Everyone
that
should
many
Did you drop a like?
But click that thumbs up. Follow me, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my music page. Most one underscore Jada.
Oh, that's pretty cute.
And what else I got? Follow my Dub Smash. Most one underscore Jada. Follow my messenger. No, I'm not gonna say messenger. Some of these folks are hackers. Hackers, bang, bang, bang. Hackers, bang, bang, bang. Anyways, go follow me. And yeah, have a great day. Bye. School.
Scary. Being in the freaking Antarctica and you can't.
I'm sorry, my camera didn't work. Bye. School.
There's a hunter.